Last week, maraming pinag-usapan sa bansa natin, sa politika, lalong-lalo na doon sa national. No? Ang una na nga dyan, Mayor, itong naging kind of expose no? Ni President Marcos. Last week, Mayor, in a press conference, President Marcos revealed or showed to the members of the media a list of DPWH contractors, Mayor, allegedly, no? Na who got 20% of the entire flood control project napunta lang sa 15 contractors sa bansa, Mayor. And according to him, he's showing that list because it's very alarming. Out of the 545 billion na public funds allotted for flood control projects nationwide since 2022, 100 billion of that napunta sa 15 contractors lamang. So this made headlines, Mayor, pinag-usapan. Kasi nga, this is kind of a follow-through doon sa SONA statement niya about contractors nga sa mga anomalous projects, guni-guni projects. And yun nga, Mayor, no? And then maraming reaction at komento about this. There were 15 contractors sa pinangalanan. Some were allegedly linked to certain personalities, Mayor, including people in politics and even a member of the House of Representatives, Mayor. Yun yung allegation. So, etong pag-release ni Presidente ng listahan, Mayor, anong masasabi mo dito, Mayor? Was there, kasi ngayon maraming nagtatanong niya na, is this just for a show? Or talaga mga habulin niya to? What do you think, Mayor?
Hindi yan. Hindi yan habulin. Kasi kung kinasuhan niya na yun sana kung talagang ano yan, totoo yung mga sinasabi niya. Kinasuhan niya na yan. Diretso na yan. Bakit di mo ba may takutin mo, tapos i-negotiate mo. Di ba? So, wala yan. Knowing him, and mga, man yan, sila lang yan, mga oligarko. I think he just want to, bring these people to the negotiating table para mahawakan niya. Yan naman yung ginagawa ng mga yan. Wala man yan, pero yung kasuhan niya talaga, wala. Malabo yan. Sila naman yan.
If I may add, Mayor, no, tama ka, kasi when he was asked kung sino, if he has names, kung sino itong involved, Mayor, his response was that we are not accusing anyone of anything yet. However, it gives us an idea of what and how this has been conducted.
Kaya nga, alam niya na parang sinasabi niya, ina-admit niya kasi na may ebidensya siya. Di ba? May hawak siya. Ba't di mo na lang yan, kasuhan yung mga yan para matapos na. Pinapahaba pa natin ito para makita talaga ng tao kung totoo ba yan or again baka ginagawa mo lang platform mo na ganun ka and yet wala ka namang totoong ginagawa talaga, ini-execute na plano against these people. Parang yung sinabi mo, totoo, nangyayari. Parang inamin niya lang na may problema. Tapos wala na. Okay na. Ano naman to? Maganda.
Tama ka, Mayor. Actually, there were same sentiments, gaya ng sinabi mo, Mayor. No? Na yun nga, bakit hindi na lang diretsuhin, di ba? Kung sa Bisaya, paagtangon ba? Because, especially after his very bold and strong pronouncement sa SONA niya na mahiya naman kayo, na parang galit talaga siya, Mayor.
Kaya sa mga nakikipagsabwatan upang kunin ang pondo ng bayan at nakawin ang kinabukasan ng ating mga mamamayan, mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Sorry, Mayor, magpa-elaborate lang ako when you said na he just wants them to bring them to the negotiating table. Parang to get their attention lang, Mayor, na mag-usap tayo, parang gano'n.
Siguro kung walang kaso talaga na ma-file si BBM. Kasi, para saan yun kung hindi siya magkaso? Na may hawak siya na ebidensya, may pa-expose sa kunwari, di ba? Tapos kung serious ka talaga, kung gusto mong may ipakita ka na resulta or yung tapang-tapang niya, mahiya naman kayo, dapat tuluyan yan. So what's next?
Correct.
Yeah, gagawa na naman ng ibang kalokohan yan. Tingnan mo, tapos iba na naman yung pag-uusapan, mawawala na naman to. Ganun na naman yan. Yun naman talaga. They've been doing that from the start.
Tama. Pero, yun na nga.
Gusto nila may issue ngayon, tapos ililibing nila yung mga previous issues, di ba? So, until people might forget, alam mo yun, di ba? Ano ba yung sinimulan? Nung pagsimula pa lang nito, yung People's Initiative, di ba? Di pa natin, wala, di ba? Ngayon, gusto niya charter change talaga, eh, no?
Pasok na naman usapan sa chat siya, Mayor.
Wala kasi, hindi nila ma-impeach si VP. Tingin ko, ayaw nga talaga bumaba. Yun naman talaga sabi ni PRD before. Ayaw bumaba. Sinabi na yan yata sa Cebu.
Yeah,
Parang
in one
ayaw
of the
bumaba.
gatherings, tama.
Maisog na rallies natin. Ewan ko.
Tama. Ito nga sa usapin nitong mga contractors meron kasi nadadrag nga itong mga pangalan ng mga congressman. This somehow solidifies ngayong itong expose recently ni Mayor Magalong, right, Hannah?
Yes. So, in relation to this mayor, si Mayor Magalong naman, he was also interviewed multiple times regarding this expose, no? And he has also said in one of his interviews na he's willing to cooperate. If he will be called, he's willing to present his evidence as a resource person. So,
At kung ialok sa inyo itong posibleng komite, independent committee na mag-iimbestiga dito sa flood control projects natin, tatanggapin niyo po, Mayor?
Oo. Hindi. Yes, kasi nga nag-volunteer ako, Igan, di ba?
Yes,
Kaya lang,
yes.
alam mo, ang intention ko doon is just to emphasize na kailangan third party
Tama.
ang mag-imbestiga, independent body. Pero nagsalita rin naman na si Yusek Castro na hindi naman nila ako kailangan. Kaya na raw nila yun.
so we've also talked about him before, Mayor, in this podcast about his advocacy against anti-corruption. What do you think about this, Mayor, about his stand?
Wala. Tingin ko, takot talaga yung mga congressman. Takot yung mga congressman. Kasi, hinamon niya naman, di ba? Na ipatawag siya.
Yes.
Correct. Ang sabi niya, Mayor, he's waiting for a lead agency to investigate. And then, because he has evidences daw, Mayor, na pwede niyang isubmit.
So, hintayin na lang talaga natin kung ano to. Kasi, it's good that andyan na yung pinag-uusapan na yun.
Correct.
Pinag-uusapan na. And the president mismo.
Tama. But yun nga ang tanong, Mayor, ganun sabi mo, after nitong pronouncements and strong statements, what's next? Kung talaga mang proceed to an investigation, may kakasuhan, or ililibing na naman with another issue?
Kung mawala yan, sigurado yan. Nag-usap-usap na yung mga yan. Tapos na yun. Kung nawala lang, parang wala lang.
Tama. Yan ang dapat abangan, Hana.
Oo. Kasi presidente naman siya. Pwede na magkasuhan yan. Maghanap siya ng paraan. Di ba?
Tama.
In the same media conference then, Sir Harv, si Mayor, he also presented the new website.
The president, no?
Yes, the president also presented the Sumbong sa Pangulo na website, Mayor, in which they will be listing all the flood control projects in the
Website. Kasuhan mo na, diretso. Website ka mo rin. Daming drama. Kasuhan mo para matapos. Di ba? Kung may findings ka, ebidensya na yan sa korte. Ano hinihintay mo?
Tama.
Wala, I'm sure, mawawala lang din yan, promise. Mawawala lang din yan. Wala naman talaga yung tao na yan.
Hopefully talaga hindi matabunan.
Hopefully. Because it's a big problem.
And that's what we're talking about it
Yeah.
also. No?
Kaya nga, okay nga sana yun. Okay yan talaga.
And more personalities are speaking up about this. Not only Mayor Magalong, other senators are also speaking up. At yun nga, we will have to wait as to the investigation talaga. Isa pa yan, Mayor, na concern ngayon kasi sino ba ang mag-iimbestiga? Ito, in an interview for the part of the sa House, no, presidential son, Floor Leader Sandro Marcos, when he was asked if they will initiate an investigation, sabi niya, to quote, he said, "Why would a body investigate itself? I think it would be wise and prudent for us to wait as to what the executive has to say and what their actions are with regard to the president's speech in the SONA. I think we shouldn't get ahead of ourselves." But he's also agreeing, Mayor, na dapat third party daw. Hindi daw sila dapat ang imbestiga. Kasi sila daw mismo allegedly ang inaako sa kanya, some members of the House. What do you think about that?
Tama naman. Wala siyang tiwala sa sarili nila. Tama naman yun. Oh. Tingin niya, ganun kadumi talaga yung ano nila, yung bakod nila. Oh. So, kasi sa mga statements kasi na lumalabas, alam mo yung, they are all acknowledging the problem. Even, kasi galing na sa presidente, sinabi niya na meron talaga eh. Tapos, a lot of statements are coming out from different politicians. This is actually happening. So, enough na yun. So that the people would know na andyan. Kasi noon, sinasabi na natin to eh. Dito sa palabas na to eh. Di ba? Kaya yung mga congressman na yan, hindi talaga yan, walang, yung stand, yung position nila sa politics, paiba-iba. It's because of yung pera dyan that's going around sa Congress. So yun, isa dyan yung flood control projects na kung hindi siguro substandard, baka wala talagang tinayo. Na anyway, okay na, hayaan muna natin sila. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan talaga yung commitment nila, ang presidente, the other parties, political parties, itong mga congressman, kung ano ba talaga yung isasagot nila sa issue. Tingnan natin. Pag nawala to, well, dalawa lang talaga yan. Either, isa lang talaga yan. Nagkasundo na sila.
Naareglo.
Naareglo na.
Ay, kaya we will have to